This brand is a part of Train Technologies and is sold by factory-authorized dealers in the USA, but the network is very limited when compared to other brands. The brand features aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion, but they are less durable than brands that use stainless steel. The furnaces use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The A951X models are basic single-stage furnaces with a 95% efficiency and a fixed-speed blower motor, which is less expensive than other blower motors. The A952V models are premium two-stage furnaces with variable speed blower motors which are quieter and more efficient. The warranty on the units is not very good when compared to other brands, as the guarantee on the heat exchanger is for only 20 years and it does not include total furnace replacement. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your thoughts and experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and God bless.